Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a new Gmail account. It's pretty easy, everybody knows, but even though I'll show you how to create it. Okay, first of all, open your browser, just click sign in Google account. You'll be getting this. Once you got this, here down you can see create account. Click on create account. Here you will be getting multiple options. Previously we are not getting these options. Now we will be getting this. Just click for my personal use. I'm creating it for my personal use. As you know, I'll put all credentials of my channel, that is Infini Veda. I don't feel I don't have any last name for this. I'll just give next. Once you give next, as our channel started this month year, so I'll give December. The day is, I'll give 12, and year is 2025. Gender, rather I'll give male. So next. So you'll be getting multiple options, that is Infini Veda. I'll prefer to go with this with 0 numbers. If you want anything else, you can give create. I'll go with this. Next. So you need to set a password for this. I'll be setting so now you can click next. So here you'll be getting like scan the QR code with your phone so that you can follow more steps, so that you can verify this account. Once I verify, I'll go with the next step. Stay tuned, guys. It will ask you the QR code to scan, then verify with a phone number. Once you've done that, you'll be getting this step to enter parent email or phone number. Here I'll be entering phone number that is 98. Once you finished, click next. So after this, it will send you a notification for your phone. You can give yes for this. Once you give us, you need to click the mail which will be getting from your phone and give yes permission and press 39 as usual. So now you have finished with complete setup. Give next. It will be asking many permissions. Okay, I agree. It will take some time. Then we are created with new email about Infini Veda's new account. So just continue. Now you got this. Choose whatever you want here. You want to customize or you want to default, just keep it there. If you want to add any of the images, you can add here. Now you can use this Gmail account. So this is it, guys. This is it about this video to create new Gmail account. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.